What's up, graphic designers? In today's class, we're going to learn how to install Photoshop. The first thing that we're going to need to do is go to TeachHub, and when we do, we're going to log in with our DOE credentials. Gabe, thanks so much for sharing your password and username with me. Very much appreciate it. Great, and so now we've just logged in. I'm going to notice that under Recent, we've got Adobe Creative Cloud for Students. You probably won't see that, so what you're going to want to do is simply click on High School at the top, and we're going to scroll down until we see Productivity and Collaboration, and we're going to simply click on Adobe Creative Cloud for Students. Great, and so when we do, it's going to open up this window right here, and I noticed that Gabriel's logged in. That's amazing. I love that. But what I also know is that the Creative Cloud app is installed on the computer itself, and so probably it might still be logged in from a Labby who has since graduated, a lab student from last year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little icon up here. I had a little red dot a moment ago, and I can see that Julia was on this account last year. We're going to need to log her out. To do that, I'm going to click Manage Account, and hopefully it'll give us the option to sign out. And I'm going to click this blue pie once more, and when I do, then it says sign out. Okay, so we're going to sign out Julia. Great, in order to log out Julia, what we're going to need to do is draw our attention to the very top of the screen, and I notice we've got that Apple logo, Creative Cloud, File, Edit, Window, and then Help. And when we click on Help, you'll notice it says sign out. So I'm going to sign out, and hopefully it's going to sign out Julia. We're going to click Continue. Great, and so presumably it's been signed out. I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to return to that window that we just logged in to a moment ago in our Chrome browser, and I'm going to click on Apps, and it says Photoshop, Learn More, Install. I'm going to click it, and we're going to see what happens. It wants us to install. My assumption is that it should work on our computer, right, because it's already installed. I'm going to just simply click the icon at the bottom, and if you can't find it, simply click on the magnifying glass at the very top right corner of the screen, and if you type in Photoshop, it'll pop up. And right now it's loading, and it's got this cool collage featuring all these tropical animals, and it wants us to sign in. Looks like we're going to have to sign in again. Gabriel, thank you so much for sharing your credentials with us. And then this window pops up. Please wait. Fingers crossed. And it looks like we are good to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in Photoshop. Nice. New file. I'm going to click Custom.